Very good evening to all of you. So we've done the GK paper. There's some questions I think so I've left it out because some of them were not available. The paper has been pretty easy. The current affairs are very easy, as well as the GK section has been completely from the notes. I think so. Many of our students would be able to attest and vilify to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to go through the paper, give you the answers. If you have any doubts, you can always ask me the answers for the same, and I'll give you the answers or the reasons for the same. Without wasting much time, let me just go through and then I'll be discussing as soon as the maths paper comes, I'll be discussing your notes for sure. Okay, so it's a different set. So let me just go through it. The first one, who among the following Kempo Award is Rajendra Kishore Panda? Avni Lekra, she's the one who's won in shooting. Bagram, it was very much in news. It is in Afghanistan, which the US has given up. Panchamani Lake, it is Statue of Unity. It was in news for basically a lot of crocodiles are there, which have been taken out. Pinaka is a multi-barrel rocket launcher. Itate Devar is basically e-filing portal. It's related to current affairs, which he had done earlier. Ballistic missile, Agni P is 1000 to 2000. It's not Agni 5, it is Agni P. Which of the following Indian states is being rabies free? It is Goa. Department of Public Enterprise comes under Department of Finance. There have been a lot of questions related to ministries this year. Chronological order would be basically your Charlie. Now, when I say Charlie, first was Rakesh Sharma, then it is Kalpana Chawla. So it will be Bravo, sorry, not Charlie, it will be Bravo. Then it was Sunita Williams, and then it is the other one. President Jovel is basically from Haiti, who's been done. Which of the following under the government of India is a new ministry which has been opened up? Ministry of Cooperation. INS Tabar, this is something related to current affairs. You must go through our notes, you'll be able to see it. It's Mediterranean Sea. Malaria-free country has been China. Gandhi Peace Award has been given to Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. This is related to your Bangladesh. Dholaveri, it was there in your IS paper. It's now there. It has got a UNESCO World Heritage tag. Again, done current affairs. Oldest tournament. I didn't expect this though. Durand Cup. It's something that we do in the FCAT sections. The first Indian woman to win a medal in Olympics, Karna Maleshwari, you should be able to do it. The Russian Federation was ROC, Russian Olympic Committee. Now, edible oil, again, it's related to your current affairs, something that we've done. Northeastern region and Andaman Nicobar Islands is where we are growing it. So you should be able to do this, the people who've done with us. 21st, Charlie. 22nd, magnetic field delta. 23rd is Bravo. 24th is again Bravo. 25th, human body on sand, Alpha. 26th would be Alpha. 27th is Bravo. 28th is Charlie, 29th is Bravo, 30th is Alpha, 31st is Bravo, 32nd Charlie. Limits of the number of tropical food chains would be Charlie, 33rd is Alpha, 34th, which of the following variations is not true? It is Bravo. 36th, population community Alpha, 37th again Alpha. It's related to your blood question. It is Alpha. I will not be discussing this because the ma'am is there. She'll come and discuss with you. 38th is again Alpha, 39th Alpha, 40th Charlie. Chishti, 41st Bravo. It's very simple question. 42nd Guru Nanak. 43rd it is Malti at Pithoragarh. It sub disaster mapping ka questions hai. 44th again disaster mapping, Kutch region. 45th blizzard, again disaster mapping. 3 question disaster mapping of Indian geography se aaya hai. 46th is again Alpha, Indian geography. 47 Atal Tunnel, current affairs, Charlie. I think so you should be able to do it. 48th is Bravo. This is again part of the Indian geography. 49th अल्फा, 85th नहीं था, 86th अमेंडमेंट था. क्रिप्स मिशन में कौन सा गलत है? ब्रावो. 50th क्वेश्चन, 51st क्वेश्चन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट का है, ये है डेल्टा टू अमेंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, उसके रिलेटेड है. 352 कौन सा नहीं वर्ड है? इंटरनल डिस्टर्बेंसेस को हमने हटा दिया गया था. 53rd ने चर्च बनाया गया था, ये अगेन हमारे करंट मिडिवल हिस्ट्री के नोट्स पे है. डोमिंगो पेस इज फॉर विजयनगर, मिडिवल हिस्ट्री. अर्थक्वेक कहां पे इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं करता? क्लाइमेट ऑफ एरिया, अगेन ज्योग्राफी में आपका डिजास्टर मैपिंग के चैप्टर में से है. एवलांच टेरेस्ट्रियल, ये वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफी का है. एंडेमिक इज द आंसर टू दिस. इसमें होएगा बब्बर, चाली. 59th का आपका ये जो फर्स्ट होती है बब्बर, फिर आती है तेराई, फिर खद्दर और भंगार में डिवाइड होती है. इलेक्टोरल रोल्स का आपका आंसर है ब्रावो. लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद इट. टोटलिटेरियन स्टेट ये नाजीज्म से लिया है, वन पार्टी सिस्टम के लिए होता है. रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट चार्ली. 62nd ब्रावो. 63rd अल्फा. 64th नेटल के लिए रिलेटेड है, अल्फा. 65th बेसिस वाला क्वेश्चन चार्ली. 66th HCl अल्फा. 67th फर्टिलाइजर आयरन. Now we come to this Rupa Sachin Alpha Animals Bravo 70th Alpha Federation Alpha India का आर्टिकल नंबर 1, आर्टिकल 1 का क्वेश्चन है। 72nd Alpha 73rd कहाँ पे नहीं है, गुवाहाटी का कोई बेंच नहीं है, गलत है। 74th Charlie member will be this। 75th this is not so sure, BN Rao or इसमें I'm not so sure, so I've not marked it up, I don't want to be wrong। 76 Delta, 77th Bravo, simple question, Indian mapping। Now this is all Indian mapping अगर आप देखोगे। 76 77 78 Indian mapping के related है। 78 Ladakh, 79th is Bravo, 80th it is related to states, I've just marked it up। 80th would be your Bravo। 81st is Vedas, 82nd is Alpha, 83rd is Delta, 84th is Delta, 85th is Alpha Indian monsoon, 86 soil से related है। 87th would be Rajasthan because wind erosion से related है। 88 all returning migrants के related है, current affairs का question। 89th would be Charlie। 90th is Charlie monopolistic means जो control करता है, because Indian Railways private नहीं है, तो ये हम सब completely control करते हैं। 91st आपका CGST है, IGST आपके पास SGST है, what is not there Charlie। 92nd Department of Enforcement, it does not deal with Benami। 93rd is basically related to Bravo। 94th, why I say again, now I'll tell you again। 94th Federal System Delta, Constitution of India guarantees, इसमें Delta आंसर है। 96th क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है, बिकॉज इन्होंने या तो ये पूछना चाहिए था which of the following amendments made a proclamation of immune, not immune होता तो आंसर था 44th, वैसे 38th amendment है, so this question is wrong itself। 97th Alpha, 98th is Bravo, जो गारंटी है ट्राइबल और सोशल पे पक्का क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। 99 डेल्टा, दिस आई बिलीव वाज अ क्वेश्चन दे डिडंट वांट यू टू अटेम्प्ट। 100 ब्रावो, 101 इज चार्ली, 102 सोशल रिफॉर्म से नाइकर, 103 कनिंघम अलेक्जेंडर कनिंघम, 94th ब्रावो, 95th इज चार्ली, 96th है आपका सी इट्स अ बुक ऑन ग्रामर फॉर श्योर, सो I'm not so sure about Kautilya, properly nahi given, so I think so Bravo hai, but I don't want to be, I'm not so certain about this question though। 107th Alpha, 108 Charlie, 109th 110th is Delta, 109th I have to do it। 111th Bravo, 112th Alpha, 113th is Alpha, 114th Delta, 115th is Bravo। Which of the following seats सबसे ज्यादा, ये आपका geography based है। 116th Delta, Charlie 234D for reservation of women। अशोका पिलर इज तारीख शहशाही, वैश्वनाथ टेम्पल नहीं है, ये आप सरप्राइजिंगली इट इज अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच हैज कम इन NDA 1 2021, सो अगर आप पिछले पेपर्स पढ़ते हैं तो यू विल बी एबल टू फिगर इट आउट। 119th A, 120th would be A। So that's your answers. Any doubts you have related to any question, you can go ahead, ask me about it. I'll give you the answer for it, and also the written material, what and where it is written. So wishing you all the best. And if you have any doubts, you can always contact me, right? Thank you.